So hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My beautiful name is Lynn Kinovia, and today I have
Cliff.
So karibuni to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. So today, what are we doing?
We are baking. Tuko pale kitchen pale ndani. Leo tumekuwa wapishi. Tuna bake keki Jamhuri ya Zima. And poleni tumechelewa ku update.
Alafu kuna kelele msijari kwa wengi.
Manze, unajua family gathering pale, maanti wanapiga kelele.
Maanti wengi.
Lakini
so we have a beautiful girl here. Gina. So guys, enjoy. Now make sure me run
lazima
from this.
Lazima.
So welcome so much.
Yeah. So hi guys. So today we are cooking a 1 kg cake, and it's late because I'm already off it on half, and so I'll let you know the ingredients that we are using today. We are using sugar, margarine, flour, and milk, baking powder. And so for the first thing, when you're beginning, you mix the margarine and sugar, and then after mixing it up, you break 2 eggs, mix them up with the first mixture that you had. Then after that, you prepare your flour here. Make sure that your ratios are good. We're gonna put the ratios in the description. So the flour should be mixed with baking powder so that it's able to rise. So after all that is done, you mix up the flour and the mixture of margarine, sugar, and what else do we have? We have milk. So that is what I'll be doing, as you can all see.
So this is our milk.
Yes, yeah, this is the milk we're using today. It's the homemade cake, so we're using what we have.
Yeah.
So as you can see, this is the mixture I'm having. I'm halfway there, and my flour is half also. So I'll take you through it, and hope you enjoy and have fun. Yes.
Welcome. Kwa nini na venye huku kutafuta pesa ni rahisi?
Wapi
Huku kwa mtandao kutafuta pesa ni rahisi. So hivyo venye unafanya ni kusta.
Ni kusta. And also another thing, you should preheat your oven before you put your cake in. So as you can see, my oven has been running for some time now, and that is to make sure that it's preheated before you put in your mixture.
All right.
So that your cake can come out well. Yes. So about the stirring, if you're stirring anti-clockwise, make sure you do that till the end. Don't go somewhere and start changing your direction, because that is gonna spoil the results of your cake. Ready to be put in the oven.
Here's the mixture. It is ready to be put in the oven.
The best cake ever. Sasa unaipiga pika kwa nini?
Sikia, ishike isikiwe na bubbles.
Ndio ya
Unaweza kunywa zaidi sana.
Looks delicious.
siwezi. Sijafikisha hapo. Nikiwa hapo hiyo mmoja. Huyo ni keki?
It's already inside the oven.
Yeah, we wait till it's ready.
Usinyamaze, ongea.
Ndio ndio.
He's setting the time.
Yes, and now
There's
we finish by kuosha vyombo.
Inside. Now we finish by washing the dishes.
A few moments later.
So guys, our cake is ready. Lakini kuna venye nataka kutoka bila tulitaka, lakini ni tamu tunawaambia. Mnakula tu kwa macho.
Iko tu sawa.
Lakini iko sawa.
Sawa.
Msubscribe hapo hivyo. Ingredients zitakuwa kwa description. Na tunawapenda mafans.